so to remove the metal from the corners, to relieve what I call relieving the corners, I'm using a graver, power graver. So with a very sharp knife edge point. So what I've done, if you can come in close, this one's done right here. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that little bit of metal that's been taken out there? There we go. So what I've done on the other corner is I filed a flat spot. You can see a very steep triangle, and that's going to help me guide the graver. Oops, I need my other glasses here. Okay. And I'll lock this on here. And I take a little bit out from the inside as well. There we go. So now 2 of the corners are done. So when these bezels fold over against the stone, that gap there on the corner will close. Hopefully. That's the trick of the day. Thank you.